Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix dark theme not working on Windows. There have been reports from many Windows users experiencing dark mode or dark theme fails to apply on their Windows computer. If you are experiencing this problem, not to worry, we've got you covered. For today's video, we will guide you through troubleshooting solutions to fix the issue. So let's get started. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, update Windows. Make sure your Windows version is up to date. It is possible that the dark theme feature have bugs or glitches that is causing it not to work. Updating Windows to the latest version helps fixes bugs and glitches, while at the same time latest features are enhanced, and it could potentially resolve the issue. To do this, press Windows key located at the lower left. Click Settings. At Windows Setting, click Update and Security. Then at left pane, click Windows Update. Then click Check for Updates at right pane. Windows will now search for available update. If there are any, click Download and Install. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely restarts, check if you can already use dark theme mode on your Windows PC. Second solution, reapplying the wallpaper. The next possible solution that you can try is to reapply the wallpaper through accessing active theme settings. This solution has helped other users fix the issue. To do this, press Windows key plus R to open up a Run dialog box. At Run box, type MS Settings Themes and press Enter. Select the Windows theme, not the Windows 10 theme. Then click Background and then choose from the default wallpapers of that particular theme. If this solution does not get the dark mode back to full mode, try the next solution. Third solution, reapply dark mode theme. It is also possible that dark theme is not appearing on Windows because of a glitch in the system. Many users have tried fixing the issue by reapplying dark mode feature. To do this, press Windows key plus R to open up a Run dialog box. At Run box, type MS Settings Colors and press Enter. Under Colors tab, change color to light. Then, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, reopen Colors window again and then change color to dark. Open File Explorer window and then check if the issue is resolved. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.